Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a Amazon Prime Video account. So the first thing you need to know is you need to create a general Amazon account for that the Amazon Prime Video. So you go to the superior right corner and you put here in your profile, like if you have the account, you pick in sign in. And after that, you need to go to the part of create your Amazon account. You put here, and you need to put your personal information, like your first name. You put here, and you choose your number like this, and you create a password. You put in continue, and you need to resolve a puzzle. For example, here, you solve that. You go to this part, like this. And if you fail the third time, they explain to you the way. So you put here and try again. And you put like this here. You put here, I see it. And that's it. You pass this proof. So in this part, you need to put the code they send it to you to the phone number you registered. This is a test account, so I can register the code. So after that, you need to choose the plan you can pay and put the information of your credit card of your application of pay. So this is the process, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content.